What's up, everybody? Today we have what will hopefully be an easy one. Floor brake broken. We are on an order picker. So that's the quote floor brake, aka foot pedal. And I noticed when I went to step on it out there, nothing happened because it's broke off. This edge is supposed to lock under these tabs so it can hit that switch. So it's broke, so we're going to pop this off, go over to the bench and fix it up. Hold on. Alright, so to get this, we have to come under here and get those screws there. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and I'll be right back. Alright. A little messy in there. Alright. Let's walk our happy asses over here. Alright, that's a good way to set this up. Let's try this. Oops. Just got here, so it's a little messy. Alright. So to get these loose, dump that junk out. There are some missing parts. Alright, let me go see, let me go walk around, see if I have any extra stuff that we can use in here, because it's missing 2 springs. Alright, springs. Actually, I guess I can bring that a little closer, a little downer. Alright, let's see. Get that in. So see, these 2 have short runs and those have a long run. These are the 2 you undo. Those kind of stay in place. Well, so you undo it and hope the pieces don't fall out. Let's just bump the springs. Because, you know, these are meant to be, yeah, you can see how that slides in. I mean, you figure these are meant to be stomped on multiple times a day. They do get quite abused up. And then this notch lines up with that, just to, I guess that helps. Squeeze and hold. Come on. Man, this one's fighting. There we go. This one was already loose. It doesn't want to tighten. That means that's about to break. Tight. This is just kind of bent up. Oh yeah. Let's see if we can make a little adjustment. edge. This might be just too bent up to put back. Just doesn't want to hold. And like you can see, that's just popping right back out. I guess we're actually going to have to replace this one, huh? Let me see here. What's broke? This isn't even that bad, honestly. All the notches are there. Well, let's try dusting it with it off. First, let's flatten it. Let's see how that fits loose. That pin area is just really bent up. The pin itself is slightly bent too. Not great. Where'd the other one go? Oh, there's the other one I lost. Okay. So that's out. That's. Might work out better. I just try to save parts. It's easier, it's cheaper. You don't have to wait for a quote. And the customer isn't down a machine. Now it sounds like it's not clicking. Jesus. So I flattened it just enough that the switch is always pressed now. It's always something. Woo. Fix that in a second. I'm going to do that. Alright, so now I gotta loosen up the center. Alright, hold on a second. Let me go put this on the vise. I'll be right back. Be easier. Alright, Let's see if the custom scruff bump worked. I just stick this upside down on a load wheel, like on the order, you know, one of the wheels you roll on, and just smack that around the empty housing where the bearing would normally be. Give us a bit of a raise. Alright, let's head back over. Alright, I'm going to feed that through. And when you're under here, you feed it through that hole up there. That's right. Yeah, where those screws were before. Run that through that little guy there. Just a bendy wire holder, and then you plug it on in. Alright, I'll get the screws in here. I'll be back in a minute. Alright, let's see. Click, flick. That's it, everybody. Alright, last minute Monday video. So that's it. That's the pedal. That's good. We're rebuilt. We're ready to rock and roll. So I will see you on Wednesday or Saturday. See ya.